Welcome to the online session. Students, we already completed chapter number 1 in our previous video. Now, today we will start chapter number 2 inside our body. In our previous video, we have discussed about some systems of our body, that is digestive system, nervous system. Now, in this chapter, we will discuss about some body parts which are inside our body. Now, all you know that there are internal organs and external organs present in our body. Internal organs are the organs which cannot be seen and which are inside our body. We cannot see or we cannot touch that organs called internal organs. External organs, the organs which we can see or touch, okay, which are outside in our body, called external organs. Now here we will study about some internal organs in our body. Okay, now human body is only a body which functions from its own. Okay, first the human body is a marvel that does its function itself. It does not depend on anyone to perform their work. Various organs in our body help it to do different works. Then our body needs various organs to perform the different works. First one, read the clue and identify the organs. In this, you have to identify the picture and write the name over here. Now, students, here is the clue box given to you. You can complete these questions with the help of these clue box. First is, it is the most important organ of the human body. It controls each and every part of the body. Means this organ is very important. Without this organ, our body cannot function. Okay, our body will not do anything. It controls our sense of vision, means to see. Vision means to see. Hearing, sunna. Taste means when you are eating something, you taste. Smell, sungna. Balance, we cannot balance our body because we cannot know what we have to do at the particular time. And feeling, you cannot feel anything, means this is which part it is? It is brain. Our brain controls all the functions of our body. पता है आपको, ब्रेन जो है हमारे पूरे बॉडी पार्ट्स के फंक्शन को कंट्रोल करता है. वह अगर आप हाथ भी ऊपर करते हो तो ये एक मैसेज मिलता है हमारे ब्रेन को कि हाथ ऊपर करना है या नीचे करना है या बोलना है. जो भी चीजें हैं वो हमारी ब्रेन को ही सबसे पहले मैसेज मिलता है, फिर हमारे बॉडी के जो ऑर्गन्स है, पार्ट्स हैं, वो वर्क करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट में क्या आएगा? ब्रेन. ओके, नंबर 1 ब्रेन. सेकंड, these are two in the human body. They help to remove waste products from blood and produce urine. Now, this is the only organ which is present in 2 parts in the human body. Okay, now the function of this organ is to remove the waste product from the blood and produces urine. This is kidney. Okay, kidney. Kidneys. Third one. It is the largest gland of human body and is one of the most vital organs. It helps in removing toxins from blood and help in digestion of food. Now, it is the largest gland in a human body. It is the largest gland and the most vital organ. Okay? And what is the function of this organ? It helps in removing the toxins from blood and help in digestion of the food. This is liver. Next one. This organ keeps working till we die. It pumps blood throughout the body. It supplies blood throughout the body. And it is the only organ which works till we die. This is heart. Okay. Next one. These are two in number and giving oxygen to blood and take back carbon dioxide from the blood. Which organ help us to breathe? Lungs help us to breathe. It takes or inhales oxygen in our body and give out carbon dioxide. This is lungs. It also present in two parts in the human body. Next one, it is the red fluid flowing inside our body. Fluid means liquid form में होता है ये. It helps in transportation of gases and food. This is blood. This is blood. Okay, children. Here we have discussed about some organs which are present in the human body. These all are internal organs which are present in the body. Now, first one is brain. It is the most important part of the body and all the functions of the human body depends upon the brain. Second one, this is kidney. These are two in the human body and they help to remove the waste material from blood and produces urine. Next one, this is liver. This is the largest gland in the human body and it helps in removing toxins from blood and help in digestion of the food. Next one, heart. This is the only organ in the human body which works till we die. It pumps or supply the blood throughout the body. Now, this is also one important organ in our body because it helps us to breathe. It takes our oxygen and gives the carbon dioxide. This is lungs. Then last one is, it is a red fluid flowing inside our body. It helps in transportation of food and gases. This is blood. Now my facts diary. This organ, the skin, which is our outer soft covering, is the largest organ of the human body and is made of man layers. Now it is the most softer part covering outside the body. Okay, children, here completes chapter number 2. Now your homework is to write these answers in your GK book. Okay, children, thank you.